Furthermore, the patients that tend to have visual deterioration that's rapid, what that means is that their pressures are probably quite high. And most of these people on spinal taps have pressures that are in the 30s or 40s, sometimes higher. And sort of by definition, pathophysiologically, to have a pressure that high on a spinal tap mandates that they have a pretty large pressure gradient that's accumulated across the venous sinus stenosis. In general, patients in this group have gradients in like the high 20s range. In my series, I think the mean gradient across the transverse sinus was like 28 or 30. So we're talking about these patients with very severe stenosis, with very large pressure gradients. And so they're really ideal candidates for stenting.